Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a trip to the heart of our planet, to a place unlike any other on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the largest rainforest on the planet, covering an area roughly the size of Western Europe. It's a place of tiniest insects to the mightiest jaguars. It's also a crucial place of our planet's health, acting as a giant carbon sink and regulating global climate patterns. The Amazon is more than just like a jungle. It's a complex ecosystem made of different layers. The highest layer is the canopy, formed by the crowns of tallest trees. This is where sunlight breaks through, creating a dappled green world teeming with birds, monkeys, and insects. Below the canopy is the understory, a maze of tangled vines, shrubs, and smaller trees. This is where many reptiles and amphibians make their homes, along with the shy creatures like sloth and elusive jaguars. And then there's a forest floor, a dark and humid world where decomposing leaves and fallen trees create a nutrient-rich layer that sustains countless organisms. This is where you might find tiny frogs singing their calls, colorful mushrooms sprouting from dead woods, and even the occasional jaguars on the hunt. The Amazon covers a huge area, 6.7 million square kilometers, of South America. Nearly 60% of the rainforest is in Brazil, while the rest is shared among 8 other countries: Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, Venezuela, and French Guiana, an overseas territory of France. The Amazon River is a true giant, winding its way through the heart of South America like a liquid lifeline. It's the undisputed king of the rivers when it comes to the water flow, carrying a staggering 20% of the world's riverine discharged into the Atlantic Ocean. Officially, it's recognized as the second longest at around 6,400 kilometers. The Amazon River basin is a wonderland of biodiversity, teeming with life, both terrestrial and aquatic. It's esteemed to house 10% of the world's known species, with countless plants, animals, and insects still waiting to be discovered. From the majestic jaguars and anaconda to the colorful macaws, pink dolphins, and piranha, the Amazon is living treasure troves. But the Amazon is more than just a collection of plants and animals. It's also home to millions of people, including indigenous communities, who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. These communities have a deep understanding of the ecosystem and play a vital role in protecting it. Sadly, the Amazon is under threat. Deforestation prolonging, agriculture and mining is destroying vast areas of the rainforest at an alarming rate. This is having a devastating impact on the environment, causing climate change, loss of biodiversity, and displacement of indigenous communities. It's our responsibility to protect the Amazon. We can do this by supporting organizations that are working to conserve the rainforest, making sustainable choices in our everyday lives, and raising awareness about the importance of this irreplaceable ecosystem. The Amazon is not just a rainforest, it's a vital part of our planet. It's our lungs, our water source, and our home to countless species of plants and animals. We need to do everything we can to protect it for future generations. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Let's all work together to keep this incredible place alive and thriving.